Okay? They do not know the signs that there has been a satanic ritual that has been done in a certain place. Unlike sa Europe, the police and the exorcists work together. They assist one another with regards to occult and satanic crime. Rome, Italy, EWTN, and Catholic News Agency, sabi, Catholic experts say occult activity and the resulting need for exorcisms has reached already a critical level. These are the signs of the times. Ay sabi nga ng ibang authors, there will be a time wherein the demonic activity will be so much that will prepare. That means that it is a preparation for the coming of the Antichrist. Okay? This is one of the signs, an increase in demonic activity. Kaya nga sabi ng International Association of Exorcists, whose 250 exorcists are placed all over the world, they have noticed an increase in demonic activity irrespective of particular places or cultures. So it is truly becoming a pastoral emergency. And this is why we have the necessity to combat this situation. Now, the Vatican has ordered all bishops to appoint exorcists because many Catholics get attacked at dahil walang ministry, saan sila tumatakbo? Sa occult practitioners. Kaya nga, libo-libong ating mga occult practitioners, mga albularyo, spiritista, mga tatawas, whatever. These are all pagan practitioners. They do not use the power of Christ. That's why temporary lamang ang kanilang paggaling. Okay? And may mga negatibong epekto sa spiritual life because you are using pagan power. Occult power ho yan. You are not using supernatural power from Jesus Christ. It's only in the name of Jesus that you have supernatural healing and liberation from evil spirits. Exorcism. Okay? Because in our country, kaunti pa lamang ang mga nasa ministry na ito, therefore, sa probinsya, madalas ang mga tao dyan ay pupunta sa mga occult practitioners. That's why kung meron kayong mga kasambahay, usually sila ay very psychic. Sila ang nakakita ng mga spirito sa bahay ninyo. Because nung bata pa sila, palagi na silang pumupunta sa mga occult practitioners which serves to open up their third eye.